Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to turn a photo to be the talking or singing AI avatar. How to do that, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step I do is I would like to create or generate the picture first. And here I'm using the Animon AI here. And you can go to this image, and as you can see that this Animon AI will help you to generate the picture from text or even the image to image. And also you can do the image editing here. And to generate the picture, you can start to put your prompt over here. And don't worry, because it also provides you the prompt enhancer. And after that you can choose the model. For example, I choose the Anyframe F1S. And also you can choose the ratio, and you can choose the anime style. For example, there are the anime, comic, Chinese traditional, scenery, webtoon, 3D, anime. And also you can choose the quantity of the picture that you would like to produce. And after that you can simply generate, and the picture is will show up here. So this is the prompt that present about this picture. And if you would like to download it, then you can simply click this button, and after that this picture will officially saved into your device like this. And the next step is I will use this Magichour AI to create the lip sync effect or talking effect with the picture. And after that you can continue to do the login first. And as you can see, for the new user they will give you the 500 credits to generate the animation. And if you'd like to upgrade it into the pro or into the upgrade version, and they will give you the no daily limit, and also the access to premium features, HD quality, no watermark, longer videos, and also the larger file uploads. And for example, I would like to, and this is, by the way, this is the homepage of this Magichour AI. And since we would like to create, for example, the talking video, you can simply click this. And after that, you can click the picture from your gallery. And as you can see that this animation will need 480 credits. You can continue, and I would like to create the text to speech. It is enough. And for example, I will type, where is my soulmate now? And as you can see, this is the text that will be spoken by this picture. And after that you can choose the voice. For example, I will choose the voice of this, for example the Taylor Swift. And you can continue to generate the audio. Kindly wait for the process. And after that you can preview the voice first.
Where is my soulmate now?
And after that you can continue to render the video. Click it. Creating video, upload image, audio, and project. Kindly wait for the process. And finally guys, our video is ready. So the generation process was or might take in until 5 minutes. So make sure that your connection is in a good condition, and let's watch the result.
Where is my soulmate now?
So as you can see that this video already spoken into the text that we typed for. And if you would like to download it, then you can simply click it. and it already officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this magichour.ai. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. And if you find any another AI that can do the same, just this Magic Hour AI, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below too, and we would love to create the video in another version. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.